Kasama nito at mga cute na mga animal ambassadors. Once again, give it up for Tribo Kamindanawan performing as palakpakan. Naman po natin sila. And folks, by the way, later 5:30 p.m. meron po silang fire dating show sa Tribo Kamindanawan. For directions, just head into the exit and follow the sounds of the beating drum. Now, syempre, before we start our show, I need your energy muna. When I say hep hep, you say hooray, hep hep. More power, hep hep. One more time, hep hep. Ayun, and good afternoon and welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. By the way, my name is Kenji, and I am your host for this afternoon show. So a quick background information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center for endangered and wild animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005. And we are in coordination with the DNR, BOT, and BAI. And as our way of saying, thank you for being with us this crocodile afternoon. We brought to the show where you will meet our animal ambassadors to get your free selfies after the show. But before that, I have some friendly reminders for you to follow muna. Okay, so una-una po, kung may mauupuan pa, please, upo lang po tayo. And folks, do not attempt to catch our animals while the show isn't going. Second, to those who are eating, I'm so sorry, but food is not allowed during the show. So can I finish it up or finish it later after the show? And lastly, to those who want to take photos and videos with our animals, nako po, bawal po ang camera. Di joke lang po. Pwede po yung camera, basta naka-off na yung flash natin. Okay? Because our animals here are light sensitive, so can you disable yung flash to make it a smooth sailing show? So why do we call them our animal ambassadors? It's because they represent their own kind and the rest of the animal kingdom. That is to give us a message that is to protect, to preserve and to conserve, and do not destroy their habitat. So please, help us in our mission in conserving them. And by the way, folks, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Mukhang ready na po ating mga animal ambassadors. Now the question is, are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? Yes! Hala, walang energy. Folks, one more time, more power, more energy. Are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? Ayan yung gusto ko na, folks. Please maintain that energy. Now, let's meet our two raptors. Una, ating tatawagin ang small but terrible na si Dominic, our Brahminican. At ayun na siya, folks. Yeah! There you go. Palakpakan naman natin, folks. Ayan. Once again, that is Dominic, our Brahminican with the scientific name of Haliastor indus, or locally known as the Banong. Now, Brahminicates are commonly found in near coastal areas because most of their diets consist of fish, crabs, and sometimes sea snake. Now, Brahminicate is a raptor. Raptor came from the Latin word rapire, meaning to seize or to drag away. As you notice po, Kuya Michael is wearing a pathetic glove because all raptors have sharp and powerful talons. And this afternoon, Dominic will show us their hunting ability by showing us how to snatch this food. At syempre, nandyan si Kuya Dex sa gitna, may daladalang karne na Kuya Dex. Are you ready na ba, Dominic? At Dominic, go snatch your food, eh? There you go. As you can see, folks, Dominic flew or soared to snatch his food from Kuya Dexter. So ganyan na ganyan po sila nangunguha ng pagkain. Especially in the one na syempre, ipapakita pa ni Dominic for one last time. Dominic, again, show us how it's done. Sige na ulit. Ayan na siya, folks. Nakatitig na ulit si Kuya Dexter. Go snatch your food, eh? There you go. Palakpakan naman natin, folks, for showing it how it's done. And by the way, guys, Brahminican practice food parasitism. food parasitism is stealing of food from the other animals. So, nangunguha po sila ng pagkain from the other animals. Even though maliit sila, they will not hesitate to steal some food from the other animals po. Now guys, palakpakan naman natin yung Greece. At syempre, si Kuya Paul, Kuya Michael, at si Kuya Dexter. Thank you so much sa inyo. Now, let's move na agad sa our second raptor. Ating tatawagan, ang cute na si Kali, our Eastern Grass Owl. At ayan na si Kali folks, nasa gilid natin. At syempre, nandito din si Kuya Boy sa kabila ng Kali. Are you ready to fly the boy? Ayan, nakatilig na sa Kuya Boy. Antay lang natin na makalipas si Kali. Ayan. At mukhang ready na. Bumubuelo na Kuya Boy at ayan na siya. Kali. There you go. Palakpakan naman natin Bruce. Once again, that is Kali, our Eastern Grass Owl, with the scientific name of Tytologimendris amaoronota, or locally known as the huago. Now guys, male grass owl have lighter facial discs, while female have brownish facial discs, and they have tubular eyes. Ibig sabihin po nun, straight lang po ang kanilang paningin. They cannot look up, down, left, or right. Instead, they will turn their heads 270 degrees. Grass owls are nocturnal animals, kaya naman, their very large eyes allow them to collect as much light as possible during night times when they hunt. Fun fact about these animals, they are the quietest birds when they are in flight. So hindi po natin maririnig ang kanilang mga pagaspas kapag sila ay lumilipad. Folks, palakpakan po natin si Kali sa syempre. Si Kuya po yung kanyang personal attendant. Thank you so much sa inyo, folks. And by the way, here in Davao Crocodile Park in Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors, namely the Brahminicae, the white-bellied seagull, the Philippine serpent eagle, and the Eastern grass owl. Now, let's move on to our next animal ambassador. Ito po, makulay po ito. At galing pa itong Brazil, particularly the Amazon forest. Now may we call on Barak. At asa na si Barak? At ayan na siya, nakikita mo na siya eh. There you go. Palakpakan naman natin. At syempre, kasama na dyan si Kuya Sari. Once again folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with Kuya Sari. Kuya Sari, ayan, may pang-precis ka ba dyan? Meron ba? At kung meron doon ito mga kiddos, lapitan po natin si Kuya Sari in short. I-feed po natin si Barak. Just open your hands lang and let Barak get the seeds from her hand. Okay? Ayan. Huwag kayong matakot. Huwag kayong makalala. Okay? Sige na mga kiddos. Ano pang inintay natin? Sige na. Lapitan na po natin si Kuya Sari po. Ayan. And kiddos, by the way, dahan-dahan na po ha. Please be gentle lang po. Okay? Ayan. Kasi nasasakta din yung si Barak po. Ayan. Just open your hands lang again. And let Barak get the seeds from her hand. Okay? Ayan. Huwag kayong matakot. Huwag kayong makalala. And folks, by the way, limit lang po ito ha. Sa mga hindi mabigyan ng chance, later po pagkatapos ng show natin, meron pa naman tayong animal betting. So tayo lahat po may chance para maka-encounter with our animal ambassador. Okay? Di ba, Kuya John? Tama ba, Kuya John? Ayan. Again, folks, ayan ha, please be gentle lang po. Just open your hands lang. Ayan, there you go. Dahan-dahan lang. Mukhang marami naman yung madalang na seeds na Kuya Sari. Madami ba Kuya Sari? Ayan. Mukhang marami naman daw. Ayan, sige daw, men. Open your hands and let Barak in the seeds from your hand. Okay, ayan ba kayong matakot? Huwag kayong malala. Don't you worry, don't be scared. Okay, Barak, won't bite you naman. Ayan, mga kilos lang muna ha. Mamaya yung mga adults. Okay, ayan. Para mapagbigyan yung mga heroes natin ngayong hapon. Okay? And guys, by the way, happy Independence Day sa lahat po. Ayan. Thank you so much for choosing us here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo as one of your tourist destination here in Davao City. Thank you so much for spending your holidays with us here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. At ayan na. Last one na daw po sa end. Ayan, si ate na lang. One last time lang daw. And there, at si Kuya. Ayan, palakpakan. Na lang po natin sa mga again mga kiddos na mamaya na lang pagkatapos sa show natin. Once again folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with a scientific name of Ararauna, meaning genius. So why do we call them geniuses? It's because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So magkasing talino lang po ni Barak ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. For example, so yun daw Barak, Miss Barak, sampulan mo nga sila ng high five na ba yung apira mo na sa Westside, apir. There you go. Sige mo ng Westside, nabili sila, apir ulit. At ayan folks, and hindi lang yan. Si Barak dito ay napakalambing din, napaka-sweet. At lambing po ito na Barak folks. Tignan nyo to ng Barak. Sige daw be, kung malambing ka, sige daw, bigyan mo nga ng kiss si Kuya Sarah sa pisngi na be. Halika mo sa pisngi si Kuya Sarah be, sige daw be. Pero para sa akin folks, kulay yung isang halik. One more time po siguro, no? Pero ito na lang Barak na Barak. I-kiss mo si Kuya Sarah, pero syempre hindi na sa pisngi. Boy, folks, saan yung gusto i-kiss si Kuya Sarah this time? Hala, saan? Sa lips do kay Sarah, narinig mo yun. Naku po. Siyempre, pagbibigyan namin kayo ng Barak. Sige daw, be. I-kiss mo si Kuya Sarah sa lips daw, be. Sige daw, sa lips daw, be. Sige daw, be. Walang bakan. Alam po natin si Barak. Grabe. Napakalaping talaga. And folks, by the way, blue and gold macaws don't build their nest. Instead, naghahanap po sila ng hollow tree or puno na may malaking butas kagaya po niyan. And they will collect twigs or small branches para ilagay po sa hollow tree. At syempre, yan po ang ipapakita ni Barak sa atin ngayong hapon. Unang Kuya Sai, ano yung kinuha mo? May dalawang kahoy si Kuya Sai. Kuya Sai, Barak, are you ready? At mukhang ready na. Now, Barak, at the count of 3, lapak ang sura. Ay, ang kahoy. 1, 2, 3, and go! Ayan. Basura na tuloy na. Get your twigs na boy. Ayan. Dahan-dahan. Show it. How is that? Ayan. There you go. So you can see folks, Barak is using his prehensile beak to grab the twig without using his feet. So, yung tuka po ni Barak, parang kamay na po yan para sa kanya. And there you go. Mag-isa mo boy. One more time. And next, Barak here is also a parrot. Meaning, meron siyang zygodactyl feet. Tutos facing forward, tutos facing backwards, allow din to grab. Ay, syempre, ginagamit ni Barak kanyang zygodactyl feet para umakyat sa kahoy ng maigi. And mukhang tapos na guys, palakpakan. Napo natin si Barak. Thank you so much Barak for showing it how is done. And folks, syempre, before we say goodbye to Barak, sana po'y pangalagaan po natin ang ating kalikasan folks. Once again, palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you so much Barak. At syempre, Kuya Sarah. Thank you so much to the both of you. And guys, by the way, blue and gold macaws are the 4th largest parrot in the entire world. First is the blue hyacinth macaw. Now for our next animal ambassador, ito po, galing po ito ng South Cotabato. And they call them the alarm clocks of the rainforest. The Kalaw, the Philippine Great Hornbill, na sina Mr. Bill at syempre, si JJ. There you go. Once again, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill, with a scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao and ensis meaning belonging to, therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see guys, their bills or kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. And folks, they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sila sa malapitan. No girls, legit na legit yan. Hindi sila nagpa-extension. Ayan. And this afternoon, magpapakitang gila sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna. Okay, now folks, ito. At the count of 3, I need you to shout, fly. Okay, so what's the word? So let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and more power, more energy. 1, 2, 3, and at mukhang ready na sila mga kuya ng Kuya Richie, Kuya Dexter. Ready ba ating makalaw na folks? Prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and What a perfect catch, Mr. Bill and JJ. Now guys, if you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating ritual. So naliligaw po yung lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas madaming insekto ang na-catch. Si lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl na kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they found a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all talaga. Buti pa sa mga kalaw may forever, no? Now sa mga single ladies na rin out there, kung naghanap ka ng forever, alam na natin, nandito lang ang... Di ko marinig ang ano? Mali! Ang trainers! Di joke na po. No guys, magpapakita ng sila na again. Prepare your cameras! Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! What a perfect catch, Mr. Bill. And JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Kalaw, the alarm clocks of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan naman po natin ating mga kalaw. So syempre, si Kuya Richie at si Kuya Dexter. Thank you so much sa inyo. Now folks, ito, fun fact about hornbills, unlike most birds who walk from place to place, hornbills actually hop from place to place or tumatalon sila as their secondary means of locomotion. Now for our next animal ambassador na po, kung makulay yung mga previous animal ambassadors natin na po, puting-puti po ito, just like a cloud. Now may we call on Beauty. Once again, folks. Beauty. Drawing na. And there you go. Palakpakan naman natin. Nakrabing na nakagaya. Kaya sa akin, folks. Once again, that is Beauty. Our sulfur-crested cockatoo. With a scientific name of Kakatua galereta. They can be found in Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. Now guys, sulfur-crested cockatoo will lift their crest as an indication if they're happy or mad. And they will also spread their wings along with their crest as a form of paniligaw para sa mga babaeng cockatoo. And it also an act of discouraging other male to court female sulfur-crested cockatoo. At syempre, ipapakita po yan ni Beauty na Beauty Girl. Paano nga ba manligaw yung mga lalaki? Paano sila manligaw yung mga boys? Paano manligaw? At na siya, folks. And there you go. Palakpakan naman natin po sa guys. Ganyan po, naniligaw yung mga lalaki ni Beauty. Pero, babae si Beauty. So, syempre, magpapakipot niya. So, girl, paano magpakipot sa mga boys tabi? Ayan, paano magpakipot? Ayan, gano'n pa din. Palakpakan naman natin, folks. And guys, as part of Beauty's enrichment, cockatoos will loop around in branches as an exercise or to play around just to ease their boredom. Na Kuya Sai, anong ginagawa ni Beauty pag siya ay nababago? Anong ginagawa pag nababoard tayo? And there you go, paikot-ikot lang. So that is their natural behavior. They are doing it pag nababago na sila o nababoard na sila. And lastly, just like any other cockatoos, Beauty here also has a zygodactyl feet just like Barak earlier. At syempre, ipapakita din yung Beauty sa kanya na Beauty. Show us how it's done. Sige daw, Ben. Ano? And there you go. Once again, that is zygodactyl feet in action. To the front, to the back, allowing them to grab. Ay, ito na syempre yung paborito. Sunflower seeds si Beauty. No, girl, thank you so much for showing us your natural behavior, folks. Palakpakan po natin si Beauty. Kaya syempre, kaya napaka-pogi trainer na si Kuya Silo. Thank you so much to the both of you. Now, let's move na kagad to our next animal ambassador. Naku po, si Beauty. May pinsan si Beauty, may cousin din Beauty. Tatawagin din natin. Now may we call on Jumbo. Hindi po yan si Jumbo, guys, ha? Ayan si Jumbo. Hindi ko yung Michael. Palakpakan naman natin. Ayan. Nalito sila Kuya Michael, eh. Sige, folks. That is Jumbo, our umbrella crested kakadu with the scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now guys, little fun fact, unlike other birds who use leaves to build their nest, kakatus use twigs and small branches to build their nest. And this afternoon, Jumbo will show us their nesting behavior by bringing us a paper money. Pero syempre, bago namin gagawin yan, kailangan namin ni Kuya Michael ng one adult guest. Sino may gusto? One adult, nasa kamay. Sino may gusto? One adult, sabihin lang po ito. Wala may gusto. Adult, kilang adult. Gusto mo po, sir? Ayan na guys, palakpakan muna na yun, sir. Sir, eto lang po. Just bring any paper money. Kahit 20 or 50, okay na po yan. Na guys, palakpakan naman natin, please. Ayan. Kahit 20 lang po or 50, okay na. For 100 peso, okay na po yan, guys. Okay? Kahit anong paper money at 50. Na, sir, lapitan niyo po si Kuya po sa gitna. At syempre, si Kuya po yung may explain sa inyo, okay? And sir, ito lang po. Kahit ano mangyari, huwag na po try hawakan si Jumbo. Sir, ha? Kasi medyo mahiya si Jumbo. Baka lumipad siya kayo. And mga kilos natin, guys, parents, please, keep your children na muna kasi kung baka tumakbo sa gitna, ayan, matamaan si Jumbo, okay? Ayan. Na Kuya Boy, just tell us when you're ready na. Na Jumbo, yung pre-practice natin, ganun pa din, okay? Na Kuya Boy, are you ready? Na Jumbo, get the paper money. Ayan, lipad. Uli mo. Balik ko Kuya Michael. And there you go. So folks, ganyan, nagyan po sa nakakolekta ng mga things doon sa wallet. Siyempre, ibabalik po yun ni Jumbo sa Jose. Ganun pa din. Same pa din. Sige na, Jumbo. Ayan. Kunin mo ulit. Lipad. Bigay mo kay sir. Balik ko Kuya Michael. And there you go. Palakpakan. Phone natin yung sir. Sir, thank you so much for participating. You can get back to your seat na po. At syempre, Kuya Michael, okay na ba yun? Isa pa, one more time pa nabitin si Jumbo. Naku, baka nabitin si Jumbo. So guys, I need one more adult, yes. Pero may twist. Ang gusto ni Jumbo yung 1,000 pesos daw. Sino may 1,000 pesos dyan? Asa kamay? Meron ka ba mga? Sige daw, may magkitapo kami ng 1,000 daw. Sige daw. Kung meron, sige daw, may. Ayan. Ay, 5, 4. Hindi, joke lang. Na guys, palapakan po natin si Ma'am. Please, ayun 1,000 pesos. No, ganun pa rin. Lapit niya po si Kuya Boy sa gitna. Okay na, Jumbo. Kuya Michael, kitang-kita niya naman kasi sky blue eh. Maganda sa mata yan. Okay, ayan na, Jumbo. Ganun pa rin na. No, ganun pa rin ito na mangyari. Huwag niyo lang po try hawakan si Jumbo. Ha, okay. Ayan. Relax na po dyan. Okay? Kaya po, ganun pa rin. Just relax pa. Okay, ayun na, okay na sila Kuya Michael. Jumbo, ready? Ayan, kiddos muna. Upo muna tayo saglit. Ayan. Baka matamaan ka ni Jumbo, kuya. Ayan. Ayan na, Jumbo. Get the paper money. Ayan din mo. Ayun. Paano Kuya Michael? There you go. So folks, that is their natural behavior in the world. And that's all for Jumbo. Palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you so much, Kuya Michael. At syempre, si Jumbo. Maraming salamat sa ano naman. Thank you so much po. Guys, palakpakan naman natin. Ayan. Ay, salamat. May pang-jollibee na talaga kami mamaya. Ayan. Now, let's proceed to our next animal ambassador na. Hindi, joke lang po, ma'am. Binibiro lang po kita mo. Guys, tayo ka po rin, ma'am. Ibabalik Kuya Michael. 1,000 na rin, ma'am. Naku, ma'am, mukhang nag-early out na sa Kuya Michael, ma'am. Kuya Michael, naku po. Ay, ayun na pala. Kuya Michael, ba't ko umalis? Ayun, ma'am. Ibabalik mo na. Ayan, ayan. Ma'am, gina-joke time ka lang namin, ma'am, ha? Okay? Pinipiro ka na kita, ma'am. Ibabalik mo kasi baka yung gasolina kayo. Ayan. May Jumbo, ikaw na lang mo pinuwi. Ayan na, Jumbo. Uwi ulit. Ayan. Lipad. Bigay mo kay ma'am. Ma'am, si Jumbo na muna station. Ako, ito na lang daw. Jumbo, ibalik mo. Jumbo. Ayan. Lipad. Bigay mo. Ay, sana walang papa. Kung natin si John Malamang. Thank you so much for participating. You can get back to the but syempre, before say goodbye to Jumbo, again, sana po'y pangalagaan po natin ating kalikasan po. So once again, palakpakan naman natin sila. Kuya Michael, tinabahan si Ma'am Kuya Michael. Okay na lang ba, ma'am? Okay, totoo mo tao sa playa. Okay, guys, palakpakan naman natin, please. Ayan. Kinabahan si ma'am eh. Malaki kasi yung 1,000 pesos, guys. Okay, and by the way, folks, here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of cactus. First is the sulfur crescent kakadu. Second is the umbrella crescent kakadu. Third is the balakpag kakadu. And the fourth is the bulukan kakadu. Now, our next animal ambassador na po. 3 and 1 po sila. But before that, I have some questions muna. Okay, so first question. What kind of animal is believed to have 9 lives? Cats, pusa, kung sa Bisaya pa. Ere, ayan ang second question. Makinig ka buti. Listen carefully, okay, no, second question. If Mickey is mouse, Donald is duck, what kind of animal is Winnie? Ulitin ko yung tanong ha, sige. Anong klaseng hayop si Winnie? Bear. Sino sabi ng po? Kuya Dexter, hindi po yung sagot niya Dexter ha. Guys, bear po si Winnie, okay? No, for my last question na lang. Ano namang klaseng hayop ang kamukha ng katabi nyo ngayon? Grabe naman sa orangutan. Bakit? Okay. Hala, di ako nagsabi nun ha, but you are correct, folks. So our next animal ambassador, we have the face of a cat. A body like a bear, but impressive tail like a monkey. Now may direct your attention to your left side. Now may we call on Teddy, our Palawan bear cat. Palakpakan. Ang natin po. Once again, it is Teddy, our Palawan bear cat with a scientific name of Arctictis binturong, or locally known as the binturong po. Now guys, did you know that their tail can act as a fifth limb? Meaning it is prehensile in nature. The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga objects na kasingaling lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan na ganyan ang kanilang mga tail. Same sa mga monkey. At syempre, ipapakita po yun ni Teddy sa atin ngayong hapon po na Teddy. Are you ready to go down? Ayan na folks, prepare your cameras and there you go. Once again, that is our prehensile tail in action. They are doing the illegal to grab some birds hanging from a branch. Palakpakan. Now, put natin si Daddy, please. Now guys, may I direct your attention again to your right side na naman. Now, may we call on Uno, our Palawan bear cat. Ayan, asan na yan? Nakalimutan niyo yung mic. Kailangan palakpakan naman natin, please. Ayan. That is Uno, the older brother of Teddy. Now guys, Palawan bear cats are endemic here in the Philippines. Ibig sabihin mo na endemic, dito lang po sila sa Pilipinas nakikita. Specifically sa Palawan. At guys, by the way, ito po si Uno medyo mahihain, no? And again, we are still working with wild animals. Now, kung ayaw talaga mag-perform ni Uno ngayong hapon, si Kuya Michael na lang po yung aakit sa kahoy, guys. Pwede ba Kuya Michael? Masakit yung tagaliran na yun. So, Uno, and guys, by the way, the reason that there is bear in their names because they can stand up using their 2 hind legs. At syempre, ipapakita yun yung Uno sa atin ngayong hapon. Ang Uno, sige na, be? Stand up, show us your 2 hind legs. At ayan. Wait na po natin guys, dapat makapesto muna siya na Uno. Apa. Stand up like a bear and there you go. Once again, that is our 2 hind legs in action. Thank you so much, Uno. Syempre, sit na din. Now folks, alam nyo ba, Palawan bear cats, their poop and their feet smells like a fresh popcorn. Yes po, amoy papo yung pupo nila. And then, omnivore sila. Ibig sabihin, kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas at karne. At yung hapon na pinapakain mo, Kuya Mike, ano yan folks? Saging or banana. Which is also omnivore sila. Kasi ito, meron na naman ako tanong. First question. What kind of animal ang kumakain lang ng herbs or grasses? Herbivore. How about meat or carne? Carnivore. How about herbs, fruits at karne? Omnivore. Perfect na for my last question. Ano namang klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas? Fruits salad kayo dyan. Sino sabi ng fruit salad? Na kuya? Nako po, kuya. Trainers niyo mo. Guys, hindi fruit salad yung sagot ha. Sino nakakagda sa kamay? Bibigyan ng jacket ni Kuya Michael. May jacket ka ba ng Kuya Michael? Nag-isa yung jacket. Nagulit. Wala nakakalam kung makain ng fruits. Alam mo ate? Sige daw, biyari ka dito ate. Sige daw, biyari ka dito. Ate, anong tawag sa grupo na mga kumakain lang ng fruits or frutas?
Herbivore.
So ate, ano yon?
Frugivore.
Ayan, palakpakan po natin si ate, please. Now guys, the correct answer is frugivore. Sige na ba kung nakikinig kayo, ano yun? Frugivore. Frugi meaning fruits, vor or gurus meaning eater. So, frugivore. Hindi fudgivore, ha? Frugivore or frugivore. So, baka nakauwi na si Teddy. Uno, pauwi na rin niya na, folks. Again, before we proceed to our next animal ambassador, I would say thank you so much for choosing us here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo as one of our tourist destination here in Davao City. That's why, palakpakan po natin ating mga sarili folks. Happy Independence Day sa inyo natin. Thank you so much for visiting us here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Now, for our next animal ambassador. Nako po, sa mga inaantok dyan, mawawala talaga yung antok nyo guys. Ito yung artista sa amin folks. Ito yung tinitilian at kinakikiligan ng maraming kababaihan. The fan favorite. Ating tatawagin ang napaka-pogi. Walang iba kundi si Daniel. Palakpakan naman natin. Wala ba yung mga kamay dyan? Palakpakan naman natin. Ayan. Imagine nyo, Daniel. Once again, may we call on. Uy, ito na si Daniel. Piolo. And 4. Ano problema mo? Uy, pamilya. Money! Kaproblema na naman siya. Mga kuya. Again, na lang. Yung sabi ko kanina that we are still working with wild animals now, and as much as you want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. At yun na nga po, sabi ng mga kuya natin, wala daw si Daniel sa likod at nakatakas daw. Nandito na daw siya sa Grand Arena, maybe check under your seats. Baka nandiyan po sa ilalim guys. Nako po, tulungan niyo po kami nga natin si Daniel. Mapapagalitan po kami sa mga boss natin yan. And kung ano yung makita niyo, please relax lang po and don't panic. Okay? Nandiyan lang mga kuya. Ang mukhang kinanpirma na ito po kay Richie. Guys, at ayan na, anong kaya yan si Daniel folks? Ano kaya yan? Ano na? Mukhang nakikita ko na. Ano na? Ano kaya yan? Ayan na! Wait lang eh! Once again, that is Daniel, our Burmese fight, our gentle giant. Pero, wait lang, kung yan pa ang yan, nasa yung dalawa. Joke lang. Pinibiro ko lang kayo kasi, okay? Si Daniel po ngayon namin. Folks, again, that is Daniel, our Burmese fight. And guys, you can touch it, you can hold it. All around na rin na po si Daniel. So, sanay. Nasa yun na po sa taas. So, kayo matakot. And guys, by the way, pagkatapos ng show natin, ito po, right after the show, huwag mo na kayo uuwi. Kasi may animal petting pa tayo. Ibig sabihin po ng animal petting, si Daniel at yung mga birds kanina, lalabas sila ulit para magpa-picture sa inyo lahat. So tingnan po, may chance para magpa-picture with our animal ambassador. Mukhang may special guest tayo ngayong hapon, guys. Abangan natin pagkatapos ng show natin. Okay, again, you can touch it, you can hold it. All of the different Daniel. Okay, sanay. Nasanay na po yan sa tao. Ayun matakot, huwag kayong magbalala. Okay, right after the show, don't go home yan kasi meron pa po tayong animal petting. Okay, ayan. Huwag kayong matakot, huwag kayong magbalala.
Guys, kaway-kaway. Ito nakakitang segment, kaway-kaway.
Na pwede nyo pong hawakan si Daniel. Huwag lang po yung trainer natin, okay? Ayan. Mahal lang Kaya kung gusto niyo hawakan sa kuya po, baka naman tayo dyan. Okay, basta guys, huwag niyo lang po kumuhin sa kanila. Don't push the snake kasi nasasaktan din yung ahas natin guys. Okay? Ayun po ako. Huwag kayong nangila. Thank you so much Kuya Poy for finding nila. Guys, palakpakan naman natin please. At syempre, ito na. Before we meet Danielle, this afternoon, we need one more adult guest. Pero hindi ako yung mamimili si Kuya Poy. Sumuso lang ako sa kanya, Kuya Poy. Sinong masarap yung busy natin ngayong hapon, Kuya Poy? Ayan. Ayan, sir, you want? Ayan guys, palakpakan mo yan. Sir, stand up. Come here. Ayan. Kuya Poy, pinabayarahan mo talaga ako, Kuya Poy, no? Okay. Sige. Dito tayo guys. Okay na sir, ayan. Face our audience. At syempre, before we Daniel, dapat kilalanin muna natin siya na sir. Introduce yourself. What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Fraser and I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada.
Sir Fraser from Las Vegas, Nevada. Palakpakan natin. Aroma from please. Ayan. So sir, are you ready to meet Danielle? At mukhang ready na sir na sir? Go to Kuya Boy right here. So come here. Come here sir. Ayan. Face our audience. Open your hands. The left and the right. And there you go. Guys, palakpakan naman natin yourself please. Okay? Paano ba ito explain ng English Kuya Boy? No guys, by the way folks, again, that is Danielle, our Burmese python, our gentle giant, with a scientific name of Python bivitatus. They are one of the largest species snakes in the world because they can get up to 20 feet long and 90 kilograms. So sila yung leader is nasa mga 10 to 15 kilograms. Ano sir? Interview tayo. So na sir, who are you with this afternoon? Who are you with here in Davao Crocodile Park this afternoon?
My wife and daughter.
Wife and daughter family. Ayan ma'am, nasa kamay. Ayan. Ma'am, picture na po yung sir. Sir, look at the camera. Show us your best pose. Ayan o ma'am, picture na natin. Pang Instagram, pang Facebook na guys. Nothing to worry. Pythons are non-venomous animal. Ibig sabihin po nun, hindi nakamamatay kagat nila. Pero constrictor sila guys. Sir, do you know what constrictor means? Constrictor meaning, sinasakal yung pagkain bago nilalaman ng buo. They will strangle you sir and they will eat you alive. Tama ba yun? Tama na guys. Palapakan na po natin yun sir. No? Kuya Poy, sige na. Papahiyan mo dito sa mga Englishan eh. Ayan ha. Napapaundas pa tayo sir. Thank you so much for participating guys. Palapakan po natin yun sir. Na Kuya Poy, ikaw talaga. Ayan. Guys, that's all for this afternoon. Sana Poy, nag-enjoy po tayo. Now, here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have a mission that is to protect, to preserve, and to conserve, and to educate people about these lovely animals. The moment that you're under this facility, you are not just here to take some photos or videos with our animals. You are already helping us in our mission as well. A round of applause for yourself, guys. Ayan. Let's meet our friends here. Kuya from the snake. Kuya Richie with the excellent spot. Kuya Dexter with the kalaw. Ate Christine with the tin box. Kuya Michael with the pound. At syempre, Big Boy Crocky and si Kuya Sadler again. I am Kenji and we are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Working with nature for a better future. Mabuhay manayaw. Nagkakasalamat sa inyong traditional rooms as I promised earlier. So bisita po natin gusto pa-picture with our animal ambassador. Lapit na lang po natin makipasok kayo sa loob guys. Huwag kayo mahiya. Sige na. Ayan, pasok po tayo guys. Nandiyan po si Kuya Bebe Snake. Kuya Michael with the Kakatsu. Kuya Richie with the Kalas Park. At syempre Kuya Dex. Pinakalaw at si Big Boy Crocky. At ginawa lang si Kuya sa kanyang mga. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for choosing us here in Davao Crocodile Park. Thanks.
Wala guys. Mama mo ko eh. Koy. Mama Maros.